Emerging companies are, and the specific focus of what we're proposing to do is to invest in unlisted companies. Now, for any ordinary sophisticated investor, it's a very difficult asset class to get exposure to. There's a limited number of funds available that can actually do it. So what that actually means is investing in a company that the shares are unlisted and will remain unlisted for a period of time. And emerging is really a focus on expansion and or growth, and that's can be a combination or solely organic and or acquisition. So for us, there's just a real opportunity in that. You're seeing baby boomers start to retire, and the younger generation, their kids or someone they've had in the business, might be a manager that's just not suitable for the business to be run going forwards. And when we look at that, we see a certain amount of opportunity, and we within our own Rolodex, if you like, have a number of men and women that really fit within that sphere of managing those sorts of companies, and then equally giving the investor that we would hope to join us on this journey the opportunity to invest with us. So you get outsized returns or superior returns, we believe, in that asset class because you're able to set specific terms, whether that's in the form of a preference share or a convertible note. But ultimately what a lot of those companies are looking for is an exit of some description, whether that's partly or wholly within a window of time. That equally is something that's very interesting from a fund perspective. I'd talk specifically to CVC's performance over a 5-year, 3-year and 1-year period, and all of those have generated in excess of 20% IRRs. Over a 3-year period, we generated almost a 40% IRR, and occasionally you'll get an outsized winner. For us, there were a couple of those. One which is very familiar to people, which is Afterpay. We were very fortunate enough to have an investment at 20 cents in the Afterpay pre-IPO round, and then we equally invested at the time of the IPO as well. So those sorts of opportunities really do help you outsize your returns, if you like, or provide superior returns to what we believe you'd ordinarily achieve on the market.